बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन, वर्ड अल्टरनेटिव्स जो कि इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी के लिए यूज़ होते हैं और पीपीएससी एफपीएससी वन पेपर के एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए भी हेल्पफुल होते हैं। 4 मार्क्स के ये पूछे जाते हैं। सो आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू हैं, जिनने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, करने मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट वन इज़ अ पर्सन हु इज़ रिजर्व्ड इन टॉक्स, जो इंसान बातों में रिजर्व्ड हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ रिटिसेंट। नेक्स्ट इज़ अ शॉर्ट स्टे एट अ प्लेस, किसी जगह पर एक शॉर्ट टाइम का स्टे होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सोजन। आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू हैं, करने मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। आपको इस चैनल पर पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी इंग्लिश लेक्चरर की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी। नेक्स्ट इज अ रेज्ड प्लेस ऑन विच ऑफरिंग टू अ गॉड आर मेड, दैट इज़ अ आल्टार। नेक्स्ट इज गवर्नमेंट बाय द गॉड्स, जो गॉड्स की तरफ से गवर्नमेंट होती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ थ्रेची। Next is a person with full discretionary power to act on behalf of country, that is called a plenipotentiary. Next is to drive a things of its holy character, that is called a discreet. Next is a small piece of wood, एक small लकड़ी का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा, that is called a chip. A pioneer of a reform movement, that is called a postal. नेक्स्ट इज़ wicked to a high degree, wicked to a high degree का मतलब होता है heinous. The original inhabitants of a country, that is called aborigines. Next is dungeon entered by a trap door, that is called oblate. Next is science of printing, printing की जो science है, that is called typography. Next is one who robs smuggler of his smuggled goods after the border has been crossed, that is called hijacker. Next is use of more words than are needed to express the meaning, that is called pleonasm. The science of judging of a person's character, capabilities, etc. from an examination of the shape of his skull, that is called phrenology. Next is a political leader who tries to stir up people, that is called demagogue. Next is a light sailing boat built especially for racing, that is called yacht. Next is atonement for one's sins, that is called repentance. Be the embodiment or perfect example, that is called personify. A person who maliciously destroys by fire, incendiary. Next is the line which a plow cuts in the ground, that is called furrow. Next is a person who forsakes religion, that is called renegade. Next one is a person concerned with practical results and values, that is called pragmatist. Next is responsible according to law, is called legitimate. Next is decision made upon a political question by the votes of all qualified persons, that is called plebiscite. Next is shining, brilliant and magnificent, that is called resplendent. Next is cutting for stone in the bladder, that is called lithotomy. Next is a heavy unnatural slumber, that is called stupor. Next is changing one's mind too quickly, it means that is called vacillation. The last one is to do away with rules, that is called abrogate. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.